Hello, hello, hello. I'm getting ready to cook some turkey burgers, air fried turkey burgers. There's two of them. I hope they cook. I'm trying out my air fryer. This is a new air fryer. I'm testing it out. And I said if I like it, I'm gonna upgrade. I'm gonna do an upgrade. So I'm gonna put some salt and some pepper. Put a little oil on it. Put a little oil in there. A little oil. A little bit. I don't know. On top of the burgers. Then I'll add some seasoning salt. Seasoning salt. Put this fry and steak. I brought this when I was in Texas. So that was last year. See what it's about. Seasoning. Fry and steak burger seasoning. We gonna see what you about. And some pepper. I'm gonna put on for 20 minutes. And I'll be back. 20 minutes. I'm going to check it in between time, but this is a turkey burger. Made by All Natural Turkey Burger. All Natural Turkey Burger. So, I'll be back. I'm going to put it on for 10 minutes at 320. This is my little air fryer. It's my first time, and it's not my first time using it, but this is the first one I purchased. I said if I like how the food cooks in it, I'm gonna upgrade. So we're gonna sit here and wait until that finish. I'm gonna keep the camera rolling. Hopefully it'll roll. So we're gonna see. I love these beans right here. They call it Mali Vegetables and Bean Blend Classic. It has corn, green beans, and lima beans with sea salt and cracked black pepper. Yes. Try it out. You'll love it. I'm going to have this with my turkey burgers. And wash a few dishes. Clean up. Do a little cleaning. I'm waiting on the fish burger. I'm going to put my vegetables on while we're waiting. My vegetables. How y'all doing today? My name is Sonia. I'm here cooking my turkey burgers for my lunch today. Well, it's lunch for me, brunch, whatever you want to call it. Feed myself. So I'm going to check in and see what it's looking like. They got a long way to look like. I'd say 10 minutes. I probably put 20 minutes. Only 5 minutes, but I would have said 20 minutes. My bad. I'm so sorry, y'all. Okay, I'm gonna put it on pause for about 10 minutes. Hey, how y'all doing today? We can go check these vegetables over here, okay? My name is Sonia. How y'all doing? We got these vegetables over here cooking on the stove. Okay. Yeah. How y'all doing today? Y'all doing well? I brought this air fryer. And I'm trying to see, do I like it? And if I like it, I'm going to upgrade. Yes, I'm going to upgrade. So we're going to see how this air fryer is going to do these turkey burgers. Cooking turkey burgers. Yeah, turkey burgers. We're going to check them out and see what it look like right now. How y'all doing today? Y'all see Miss Blondie? Meet Miss Blondie. Her name is Blondie. How y'all doing? Let's check these turkey burgers. Oh, they getting there. They getting there. Let's put them back. Let's put them girls back and let them finish cooking. And we're waiting. Okay, let's check these turkey burgers. Got like 5 minutes. Oh. Get this little fork over here and see what they looking like. See what they looking like? I'm gonna move them around because almost like on top of each other. Turn it down. I'll see what I'm doing. See? They cook. Put this one on top. Because this one's laying on top of this one. So I'm gonna switch it up. I'm gonna add 10 more minutes to this. Let's say 5 minutes and I'm having a house. Okay. We're gonna see if this phone will let us record. I'm taking it out because I'm switching them around. I'm putting it right back. I need to add some more time to it. I'm adding 10 more minutes. 10 more minutes. Okay, let's check them. You gonna check these turkey? Oh, they look good. Look at them. Look at them. I think I want to turn them over. I'm going to turn one of them over. Yeah, I turned this over on the other side. Okay, we're gonna check these turkey burgers. We're gonna check the turkey burgers. See what they doing. Oh, this one cooking real good. I like how this one cooking. I like how they cooking here. Oh yes. I love how they cook inside here. 5 more minutes. Oh, I ain't let you see it, y'all. See, I'm so sorry, y'all. I'm sorry, y'all. Forgive me. My little thing fell. My little holder fell. I'm putting it back inside there.